Breaking news. Guys, the news reaching our decks right now is that police shot Sowore during protest rally in Abuja and he has been rushed to the hospital. Some persons are saying that he's dead. Some are saying they shot him, at the right hand, right leg and all that. We don't know the situation on the ground now, but the news now is that Sowore has been shot by Nigerian police. Hello guys, you are welcome to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you very much for always stopping by. I really do appreciate. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Armed policemen in Abuja have opened fire on human rights activists Omoyele Sowore during a protest to demand an end to insecurity in the country. Sowore was shot in the right side of the stomach towards the hip by gun-wielding policemen dragged to the Unity Fountain. The police, who had already been stationed at the fountain before the arrival of the activists and other protesters, opened fire on the armed protesters. Nigerians are reacting. Many people also sustained varying degrees of injuries during this incident. All right, let's hear what Nigerians are saying here. Okay, gunshot and killing on daily from both side and non-state actors on daily basis in Nigeria now. The current regime has successfully led Nigeria into a state of anarchy, and that is just the gospel truth. These people, you guys are shooting. They are unarmed protesters. If you can still remember what happened in Lagos during EndSARS protest in Lekki Tollgate, though they've already swept everything under the carpet. But we know, Nigerians know what happened because it was live. Even when the Nigerian army denied on that and later they shake mouths, they don't start again. Bandits are killing. Boko Haram are killing. Police and Nigerian army are killing. So we don't even know the one when be bandits in this country. How can we be facing this kind of situation in this country and you wouldn't want people to talk? You see, this is the reason why nobody is listening to anyone. Even the bandits, they know that Nigerian police and army, even the government, they themselves are also bandits. You get. So no one wants to listen to anybody. For goodness sake, they are turning Nigeria to anarchy, the state of anarchy right now. How can every little thing you raise your gun or whatever? Is it not the same protest that brought this government to the seat? Why are they against it? If they really know that they are doing the right thing, why won't they just listen to what people are saying? The situation on ground, nobody in Nigeria will say he or she loves what is happening right now. Everybody is complaining. We were managing hunger, but now security issue now don't take everywhere. Insecurity, don't take it all over everywhere. They even sleep without our eyes closed right now because you don't know what is going to happen to you at the next minute. Nigerian police and Nigerian army has turned to something else. You get. All right, someone said, Sowore, come back home. Oh, we don't need revolution, but self-determination. Oduduwa nation, no going back. All right, someone said, government won't let him leave Abuja. He will be watching. He will be watched 24 hours. All right, someone said, I am watching live for the time that this shot, you people have problem in this country. I beg, Sowore was shot. All right, someone said, I don't know you can reduce yourself to this. So you are fighting a monster that you created. And the funny of them all is that you go put there without gun or weapon to defend yourselves. I think it's high time Nigerians should stop accusing Sowore, because we all know that even during that Jonathan regime, people are saying that whatever, or Sowore, fought Jonathan. Are we going to say that Jonathan regime is even a saint regime? We all know that all of them are corrupt. All of them, no one is going to be cut out. It's just that what we are experiencing now is worse than what we experienced during that time. That is just the reason. It's an activist. He can come up to say this is wrong, this is right, and all that. We all know that so many things happened during Jonathan's regime. You get? The problem we are facing in this country is our past leaders and our current leaders. So this is not the time to blame anybody. This is the time, to make things right. This is the time Nigerians have to stand to say no to this injustice. We are all Nigerians. You get? All right, someone said that what is really wrong with this useless and wicked devilish government? If you ask me now, who I go ask? All right. Someone said, okay, oh God, why this government is waging war against its citizens? I hope nothing happens to him. All right. Someone said, if anything happened to Shaware, Buhari government will go down. Okay. Someone said that the Buhari has led government and APC regime has finally gone mad. Though. The way they are going, Buhari government is like daughter. Okay. He's speaking language. I think this is a Yoruba language. I cannot take that. Terrorist president, terrorist security chiefs, terrorist army, terrorist communication minister, terrorist national security advisor, terrorist country, terrorist police. Child, who does this one? Useless government, they just shot the wrong person. All right, someone said, you are doing revolution without guns. I pity your life. Okay, someone said the Buhari government don't finish us, so how we go take come out for this barbaric government? I don't know. Someone said that if it's in Owerri now, they will blame IPOB. Okay, someone said, oh my God, how are we going to come out from this now? And how did we even enter this situation? Nigerian government that don't even listen to our citizens. Honestly, we are in a very big mess. All right, someone said, Shaware, please be safe. We don't want anything to happen to you. We still want you around. So guys, you've all heard it. Now this is the situation on ground. Now we don't know what is happening to Shaware now, whether I don't just want to take some comments here because some persons are saying here that Shaware is dead. I don't want to believe that. So guys, I'm going to drop it here. Let's hear from you. Kindly hit the comment section and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Bye for now.